Question 22, JAMB Mathematics. Evaluate the definite integral. Integral from -1 to 1 of the function x minus 1 all to the power of 2 with respect to x. Good. Let's see how we can handle this. Integral from -1 up to 1 of x minus 1 squared with respect to x. First of all, this is one of those standard integrals too. If you recall this, integral of ax plus b raised to the power of n with respect to x. This one will give me ax plus b all raised to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. But whatever you have to divide it again by the coefficient of the x. So multiply by 1 all over x. That's the meaning. So then add arbitrary constant to it. So at the end of the day, this will later give me ax plus b raised to the power of n plus 1 all over a bracket n plus 1 plus c. Good. Now, if you can remember this, you can always use this to evaluate this. Good. If you look at comparing x minus 1 and ax plus b, I will see that my a in this case will be 1, and my b, which is plus b here, will be minus 1. So in this case, a will be equal to 1 and b will be equal to minus 1. Neglecting the integral sign first, let's apply this. The result of this is going to give me our integral of x minus 1 squared with respect to x is going to give me, applying this, they said ax plus b. So I will still rewrite whatever I have. That's x minus 1 raised to the power of n plus 1. That is the original power. Add 1 to the original power. That's 2 plus 1. That will give me 3. Everything divided by a bracket n plus 1. What is my a from here? 1. That's 1 bracket n plus 1, which has given me 3 from here. Then plus c, which is the constant of integration. Now, we are going to have x minus 1 cube all over 1 times 3. That will give me 3 plus c. Now, because this one is definite integral, we have to substitute our limit. This is called the lower limit, while this is called the upper limit. Now, when dealing with definite integral, we may neglect the constant. It will later cancel out. Now, from here, I'll first substitute the upper limit. Wherever I see x, I'll put 1. So, for the upper limit, I will have 1 minus 1 raised to the power of 3, all divided by 3. Now, for the lower limit, I will substitute minus 1. Anywhere I see x, that's minus 1, all raised to the power of 3 divided by 3. So from here, minus 1, 1 minus 1 will give me 0. 0 cube is still 0. Divide 0 by 3, so it will still give you 0. That means everything here is equal to 0 minus 1, that will still give me minus 2. Minus 2 raised to the power of 3, that will give me minus 8. Everything divided by 3. So finally, 0 minus 8, that will give me 0 plus 8 over 3. The answer is 8 over 3, which can be written in mixed fraction as 2 whole number 2 whole number 2 over 3. Check the option. We see that D is the answer. Thank you.